In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Zenless Zone 0 crashing, freezing, or closing unexpectedly on your mobile phone. So let's get straight into the steps. First, check your phone's specifications. Open your phone's settings and go to About Phone. Here, you can check important information such as your RAM, processor, Android or iOS version, and available storage. Now compare your phone's specifications with the official Zenless Zone 0 mobile requirements. You can search online for the latest requirements from the official HoYo's support page. If your device doesn't meet the recommended requirements, the game may experience crashes, freezing, overheating, or poor performance. Next, make sure you have enough free storage. Large games like Zenless Zone 0 need additional space for updates and temporary files. Go to Settings, then Storage, and check how much free space you have. If your storage is almost full, remove unnecessary apps, videos, or files to free up some space. Now, clear the game's cache. Open Settings and go to Apps. Find Zenless Zone 0 in your installed applications and open it. Tap Storage or Storage and Cache. Then select Clear Cache. Make sure you select the cache option rather than clearing all app data because clearing app data may remove locally stored information and require you to sign in again. Next, close background applications. Open your recent apps screen and close apps that you aren't currently using. This can free up memory and reduce the workload on your phone while running the game. Now, check for updates. Open the Google Play Store or App Store, search for Zenless Zone 0, and check whether an update is available. Also, check your phone's system updates and install any available updates. After updating, restart your phone before launching the game again. Another important step is lowering the graphics settings. Open Zenless Zone 0 and go to the Settings menu. Find the graphics options and lower settings such as image quality, frame rate, and other visual effects. If your phone is struggling, try using lower graphics and a lower FPS setting. This can reduce the workload on your device and may help prevent crashes. Finally, make sure your phone isn't overheating. Avoid playing while the device is extremely hot and close unnecessary applications before launching the game. If Zenless Zone 0 continues crashing after trying all these steps, the issue could be related to your device compatibility, the game installation, or a temporary game-side problem. In that case, check the official HoYo's support channels for the latest fixes. And that's it. Those are the steps you can try to fix Zenless Zone 0 crashing on mobile. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more gaming tutorials and troubleshooting tips. See you in the next video.